Hello, welcome. Let's provide answer to this using the Po-Shen Loh method we just discussed in the previous episode. So I'll go straight forward with the knowledge we carried onto this. First thing first, I need to know the value of A, comparing this to x squared. Let me just say, comparing your ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, what do you think your a will be? The a will be 1, the b will be 5, and c will be what? 6. Knowing this, straightforward, you go to sum of root. What is the sum of root? Remember, it is minus b over a, and that is going to be minus b minus 5 over 1, right? And that will still give you what? Minus 5. The next thing is to find the average of the root of the sum of root average. Average means divided by 2, right? So minus 5 over 2 equals to negative 2.5. So the moment we know the sum, we know the average, the next thing is to create that root we are looking for. That means that your alpha is going to be the mean minus u, then your beta will be the mean plus what? U. What is the mean? I mean average. What is the average? So alpha is just negative 2.5 minus u. Your beta is just negative 2.5 plus what? U. I guess I am not rushing this because this is just a continuation from the previous episode. So if that is the case, I know the alpha, the beta, which are the roots I am looking for this equation. I have used the sum of roots, so I need to find the product. Product of root, you can write it in full. Sum of root, product of root, average of sum of root. And that is going to be C over A. And what is the C? 6. A is 1. So I should be having what? 6. Now that I have this, remember, product of root also means that alpha and beta are the root. And the alpha and beta are equal to this. So that means product 6 equals to minus 2.5 minus u as one root multiplying minus 2.5 plus u as the other root. Okay? Alright. Then we can see first number minus second, first number plus second. Difference of 2 squared. That means 6 equals to minus 2.5 all square minus what? U squared. So I think this will come here as positive u squared. It's coming here, so this will maintain negative 2.5 times negative 2.5. It's just like 25 times 25. That's 625. Since we are having two decimal places, bringing in, that gives you 6.25, then minus what? 6. I believe I'm not rushing it. All right, so you can ask questions at any stage that we are. I'll be in the comment section to answer them. So here I should be having u squared equals to 0.25. So I'm not having calculator, so I'll be using decimal. So this means that u will be equals to the root of, this is 25 divided by 100. Is that not it? The root of 25, 5. The root of 100, 10. That will be 5 over 10, so 0.45. So u 0.5. Therefore, your alpha will just be negative 2.5 minus 0.5, which is going to be negative 3. Beta, negative 2.5 plus 0.5. Don't forget, this is the m, we have it here, plus u. We just got a u to be 0.5. So if we add this by subtraction, that will give you negative 2. So therefore, the root are negative 3 or what? Negative 2. If you pass through factorization, you get the same thing. Completing the square, the same answer. Using the formula method, the same answer. Using the PQ formula, you get the same answer. But let me see in the comment section if this will be a preferred method for you. Aside all that we have discussed, Po-Shen Loh is your favorite. Let me know in the comment section. Bye-bye.